This is the second part of your today's SST class. As I have told you in the previous video that in this class I will discuss on the four realms of the earth. So let's start. Okay. We know that there are four realms of our environment, and that are hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, atmosphere. Clear? Okay. So look at this picture. This is hydrosphere. This is lithosphere, and this is biosphere, and the last one is atmosphere. First, let's discuss about the lithosphere in detail. Okay, look at this picture. This is the picture of lithosphere. This portion is known as the lithosphere, and it has two parts. Number one is crust. This is crust. And number two is mantle. This is mantle. So first, it is the rocky portion of the earth, and it is made up of minerals, rocks. It is the outer part. It is the outer part of our world. It is made up of rocks, minerals, and the whole part is covered with a thin layer that is called soil. So the lithosphere is covered with a thin layer that is called soil. Okay, and it is very important to all living things, because we know that it gives us soil, that means land, and we live on land. We build our house on land. We make our transportation system on land. Okay, that's why we can go from one place to another place very easily. And one thing, okay, that look, there are some trees on the lithosphere. Okay, so trees give us many materials like wood, honey, food, flowers, etc. And it is essential for our life. And there are many major landforms on the lithosphere like mountain, hill, plateau, plains. And we know that from mountains maximum river originate. We get water for our irrigation purpose. We get electricity from the water of those rivers. So lithosphere is very important for all living beings. So about hydrosphere in detail. Hydro means water. So it is related with water. We know there are many sources of water in our world like pond, ocean, lake, dam, etc. But rainwater is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water in this world. And in our earth, we get water into three forms. That are number one, liquid. Number one is solid. Number two, liquid, and number three is gas. So there are three forms of water in this world. Number one, solid. Number two, liquid, and number three is gas. Okay, and from the sources of water, these water changes from one state to another. Solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and again gas to solid. Okay, solid, liquid, and gas. So water changes from one state to another from the sources. Solid to liquid, liquid to gas, and again gas to solid. It is a continuous process, and this cycle is called water cycle. Okay, this process or this cycle is called water cycle. Next, it is also important for all living beings because we drink water. Without water we can't stay. We use it in many other ways like bathing, cleaning, planting tree, and we get electricity from water. So it is important for all living beings. Let's know about the atmosphere. Okay, and it is a mixture of different types of gases, and it is a thick layer of air that is surround our earth. Okay, look at this picture. Suppose this is our earth and this is a thick layer of different gases. So atmosphere is a so this is the earth. Suppose this is the earth and this is a thick layer of air. So what is an atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thick layer of air that is surrounds our earth, and we can say it is a blanket of air. It holds our earth like a blanket, and the different gases are nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, helium, etc. Now we know that air is essential for all living beings because we breathe with it, and without air we can't live anymore. Okay, and next is biosphere. Look at this picture very carefully. Okay, so what is biosphere? Look, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. These three spheres interact here, and it is called biosphere. So biosphere is the interact of atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere, and it makes our earth a unique planet because only our earth we can see the living beings, and it is possible only for the biosphere. So it gives our earth to a okay. So this biosphere gives us an opportunity to live here and reproduce. Okay. Next, so students, please watch this video and read this from your SST book and try to understand. Thank you.